What's going on, everyone? Brendan from Koso here, and today I'm going to be showing you our newest gauge, the XR-01G. This is a GPS speedometer for golf carts. So this gauge being a GPS speedometer, it won't come with a speed sensor. It'll actually come with a GPS antenna, which is just straight plug and play into one of the connectors on the gauge, and it will also come with an ambient air temperature gauge so that you can read the outside temperature. To get into the settings on this gauge, you just have to hold both your buttons for 3 seconds. That'll bring you up the adjustment menu. First adjustment will be the clock, where you can set the time. Second adjustment will be the unit, which is your Fahrenheit, your miles per hour. Third adjustment is the illumination. I'll go into this to show you all the colors available. So first we'd have white, we have red, we have orange, we have yellow, we have green, we have blue, we have indigo, we have purple, and then back to white. Brightness setting, 5 out of 5. Setting 4 is your countdown setting. So this is a countdown option in the gauge. We'll set a certain mileage and it'll count down from that mileage and give you a warning once you get to 0. So something like this is good for oil changes on the machine that it's being installed on, or even just general maintenance. So this you can set to a custom amount. You can set to 400, you can set to 500 miles, you can set it to whatever you like. After that, we have the fuel. Because this is for gas or electric powered, you can turn fuel on or off. Having fuel off will show the voltage of the machine, whereas having fuel on, you'll have the actual reservoir. So you'll have the fuel gauge available. Setting 6 is the odometer, which is the mileage of the machine. Obviously, you can set this prior to driving the machine. You can just set the odometer. So the gauge will come with a flat mount bracket to put on your dashboard. This is what will be supplied with the gauge, but we also have an optional accessory, which is our mount on the steering column. So this will come with a clamp and a long arm. The long arm, it has a swivel on it, just like the other one. They both swivel to find your right angle, and then they clamp to hold it in place on the steering column.